Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna review O3 Plus Professional Meloderm Vitamin C Gel Bleach. So this is one product that I used in lockdown. So I do not believe in waxing or shaving my face yet. I might someday, but I just bleached my facial hair for now. So I used this in lockdown because we weren't going out and we weren't letting anybody come in. So this was the best option I came through. So if you know, O3 products outside are very expensive, and one of the best products that I used professionally in salons, and I wanted to bleach my face and I wanted to go for the best. So I ended up with O3 Professional Vitamin C Gel based bleach. First I will tell you what all is it in this kit and how to use it. I used it on both me and my mom at the same time, and did it actually help, or like was it okayish? So first of all, we get a mixing plate, we get a spatula, we get the bleach gel. This is 80 grams. Then we get the activator, which is 8 grams. And the third product we get is this vitamin C face cream, which is also 8 grams. So it's instructed that if you have really very dry skin or very dehydrated skin, you should always use this. You should always put one thick layer of this before and after your bleach. Basically after bleach you should always get a very nice facial. I used O3 facial only. If you have very sensitive, dry, dehydrated skin, please put this vitamin C, a very nice layer of this vitamin C cream before. Then as instructed, they said put 4 spatulas of this gel and a pinch or 2 of this activator. I did a mistake. I actually put like 2.5 pinches, little extra than it was instructed, and it did not go well for me. So basically 4 spatulas and 2 pinches of this. This is how you make your bleach. The gel looks like a normal regular gel. So yeah. So 4 spatulas and a pinch of activator was recommended for one person, but it was so much that we both used it. As instructed, it should be used for 4 to 5 minutes. It should have done its job for 4 to 5 minutes. We applied it on our faces and we ended up putting it for more than 40 minutes. Why? Because when you put this bleach, it's transparent. You can actually see the hair turning golden. So it was clearly visible that your hair isn't turning golden at all. As I mentioned, the quantity of activator got a little more, and our eyes, and both of our eyes started burning, and my mom got very impatient. She was like, it's 35 minutes and I cannot put a bleach more than this on my face. So I just removed her bleach. Her hair were partially golden, not very golden but partially golden, but I ended up putting for 15 minutes more, that is exactly 45 minutes. So this is the result. From here they are still black, but all of the chin area and this has turned golden. It worked, but not very nicely. I had to put it for a long period of time. It definitely claims that it does not give you any itching or irritation like normal bleaches do. I felt that is true. The itching and the irritation was definitely less than all of the other bleaches that I get in market, but it was still there. The mild irritation and itching was still there. It wasn't too much, but yes, it still existed. So this was my experience. It will work, but it will work after 40 to 45 minutes. It will actually start working after 40 to 45 minutes. If you're that much patient with bleaches, and if you're okay and if you're fine with putting a bleach for 40 to 45 minutes, you can definitely go for it. If you have very thick hair, if you think normal bleaches take a lot of time, so do not go for this bleach. Go for a stronger one. This is basically on a mild side. It's a gel bleach, not a cream bleach. Please take your facials after your bleaches, and this was my whole review. For me, it was okayish. It was on borderline, and it did work, but it worked very slowly. You have to be very patient with it. It's not very excellent as other O3 products, but yes, since I have it, I'm gonna use it for another year because this is gonna last very long. So yeah, this was my review, and thank you all for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I love you all. Bye bye.